these old bridges. Forgotten. VIN matches. An XJ220, alright?
Think she can be brought back?
With patience and a lot of hours.
It's all there. Title's inside.
Appreciate it. She meant a lot. I will. Promise.
Never seen one of those up close.
Wow. That's bad.
Starting right here. Soft spot. Listen. There it goes. That's daylight right through the frame. It's basically paper now. We'll rebuild it.
First bolt, point of no return. Here we go.
That's one seat free. Floor's bare now, just rust in history.
Listen to that. The wire's just gliding through the old urethane. Nice and steady. And there it goes. Windshield free, open to the world for the first time in decades.
The left rail is about 4 millimeters high right at the tower. I'm letting the ram ease it down, slow and steady. Listen to the grain in the metal as it relaxes.
First coat down. Uniform, silky gray. And the bare alloy is sealed and safe. There it goes. Pop. Seat cleaned, ready for the upgrade. Yellow polyurethane slides in. Watch how smooth this is. And seated. Perfectly flush, firm, and quiet.
Disassembly.
short bursts. Let it flood the cavity. The wax coats every seam in there. See it working its way up those drain holes. That's full coverage. And last pass, and we let it drip.